In this video, I'm going to be addressing a very important question that I feel like even new sellers, Takealot sellers or beginner sellers, maybe they're thinking of doing this. This is the question of whether you're going to make money, lose money or save money. So I'm going to try and put a screenshot of the question from another seller or an aspiring seller. So they're thinking that if they were to ship only to one warehouse, let's say for the sake of this video, they live in Gauteng and their nearest DC is a distribution center, their nearest DC is Johannesburg DC, and they only want to ship their stock to Johannesburg DC, and that way they feel like they will be saving a lot of money from not shipping to Cape Town DC. So what's going to happen when you do this? Let's say in a month or in 30 days you have about 50 customers from Cape Town warehouse, and for you to ship your 50 units using a courier, you are charged 200 rands. That's going to depend on the courier you use, of course. Let's say you are selling smaller products, maybe 2 centimeters height and 10 centimeters width by 15 centimeters length. That's going to be a smaller product, right? And you ship with only one box, your 50 units, they fit in, and you pay 200 rands to ship your products from your place to Cape Town DC, but you don't want to pay that 200 rands. Now you ship only to Johannesburg warehouse. What's going to happen is that Takealot will take it upon themselves whenever you have Cape Town customers to ship that one product or that one order from one customer. They will ship that product to Cape Town DC, and now you're going to be charged what is called Interdc Transfer, and that money is going to be taken from your profit. So it's going to depend on how big your product is. For example, I also ran out of stock in Cape Town and I had a customer in Cape Town, so my product is small, maybe the size that I just made an example of 2 centimeters height, 15 by 10, and then I was charged 18 rands, which maybe including VAT was 21 rands. And this product, my profit is not that much. My profit margins are maybe 30 rands. So it means now out of my 30 rands profit, I'm paying extra 21 rands just to transfer this product to Cape Town. Out of my profit, I'm left with 9 rands. So if your profit is 15 rands and you're paying 21 rands to ship that product internally within Takealot warehouses, and you're paying 21 rands and your profit is 15 rands, it means now you have to take 6 rand extra from your pocket to pay for that shipment, that one customer. So if you have 50 customers a month, you're gonna pay 2 times 5 is gonna be 10. Let's just say you pay 1,000 rands in those fees, Interdc transfer fees. So that's 1,000 rands. And instead of paying only 200 rands to use a courier, now you're paying an extra 800 rands. So you see that is lost only if your product has low profit margins. But if you're selling something smaller of that size and then your profit is maybe 500 rands, then yes, maybe you can choose to do that, but also familiarize yourself with the seller compliance rules. And this is going to help you because we all know that you're supposed to do only 35-65% split between the 2 DCs. But if your profit margins are high, maybe you can opt for this. But if you know that your profit is 15 rands, 30 rands or 20 rands per unit, this is not doable. You instead gonna lose more money. That's why I felt like I should talk about this, because a lot of people will say that Takealot is not profitable, but they're doing things like this. They are overstocking, they're paying for storage fees, they are also paying for Interdc transfer fees, which now they lose more money. So that I just wanted to make sure that I talk about this. This is just a very short video that I just wanted to end it here. Thank you so much for watching up to here. See you in the next video.